Hello viewers, are you experiencing Instagram follow automatic unfollow problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Instagram follow automatic unfollow problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, you need to update your Instagram apps. So go to Play Store and then tap on Search app. Now search Instagram. From here, update your Instagram apps if available any update version. I have already updated my Instagram apps. Now find Instagram apps and then long press on Instagram apps. Now open Instagram app info. Just tap on I button or app info. Now go to storage option. Tap on storage. Now clear cache your Instagram storage. Tap on clear cache only. Now press on back button. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then check your problem solved successfully. If still you are facing this problem, then go to Instagram. Now go to profile option and then tap on three line icon. Now scroll down and go to help option. Tap on help option. Now tap on report a problem. Again tap on report problem. Now go to include and continue option and then here describe your issue. After describe your issue, now send report. Tap on send option. After this step, your problem will be solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.